So good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time of the day it is for you. For me it is 6:15 in the morning. I think it's like the 8th or 9th. I think it's the 9th. No, I think it's the 8th. Now whatever it is, 8th or 9th of August, one of the two. And you join me leaving work. Which, for those that know or knew what I did for a living and know the area, know that this is not the way from McDonald's. That's because I left, basically, through, well, I wasn't sacked, I actually left of my own accord, through a bit of time coming, to be fair. Just say time was time, we'll leave it at that. No bad feelings between me and the fella that ran the store. Maybe a few feelings between me and a couple of shift managers, but they ain't important. You can't really do much besides send me home. I'm referring to the store manager. So yeah, so I've left there, and yeah, I've gone to work nights in a petrol station. Been there about a week, well, just over a week now. So yeah, that's kind of now messed everything up, kinda. As in, well, it hasn't messed anything up really. In fact, if anything, it's made it easier, come to think about it, because it's now put me on a dedicated, well, I'd say shift pattern. It's the same set of hours, just the days are a bit here, there and everywhere at the minute, but yeah. So I'm not going to turn around and go expect more regular uploads, because I'd be kidding. So that's that. What else did I want to mention? Videos. The next set of videos coming up after this will be the Super Good. The rides for Super Good that week that I was away. Obviously there was 2 rides over the weekend. I was away for a week. Got some footage there. I'm trying to aim for a video. 1 video equals 1 day. May bunch it down. And the pictures that you're seeing on Instagram, no, I'm not on, the saddlebags is already asked. No, I'm not on the road. They're the pictures from that trip, which was probably about a month ago, that I've only just got round to posting. So that's them. So that's the photos, the videos, and what else? Microphone's changed, as you can probably tell. So for those of you that didn't know what I was using the Drift Ghost S with the purple Panda. Sort of worked pretty decently, to be fair. But after Hartford put his video up about what he was using with his GoPro, and being that between him and Spicy they've got audio nailed, I'd say, I thought I would give his cheapo setup a go. So I got the $6.99 Hama mic, a dead cat over that, and that's plugged into my Drift Ghost S with a little extension cable, because the adapter, the port with the back door on isn't, the hole isn't big enough, so I've got a smaller like extender for that I had knocking around at home. And I recorded this video once before, but it was a bit long in the tooth, so I know what it sounds without the dead cat. I only put the dead cat on this evening because, well, last night, because the petrol station I work at has an Amazon locker next to it. So I ordered the dead cat and sent it to that locker and picked it up last night. So I know what it sounds without the dead cat, which is pretty darn good actually. The only editing to the audio I'd done in post was added a bass effect in Premiere by 5 decibels. Now I suspect I'll have to do the same again. So yeah, the audio is not raw, there is a slight tweak to it, but it was just to add a bit of bass, because you see the bike sounded a bit and my voice sounded a bit, I don't know if tinny's the right word, but it was just lacking a bit of lower end to it. So hence why I put I tried messing around with the bass. And that's really it. So with the leaving of the job meant that I had unused holiday pay, because I don't take holidays very often. So by the time the taxman had got his hands in my pocket, the cheeky bastard, yeah, I had £2 lump sum payout of unused holiday pay, which is currently burning a hole in my pocket. And I'm not sort of sure what I'm going to do with that. Part of me is tempted by another bike. Kind of missing the little bikes. I know I've got the Hartford, but it's like a troubled child, to be fair. And yeah, I kind of want something that's going to start first time, every time, never give me any aggravations, and just to not get rid of this. No, not valued at anything. About an 1800 quid bike, to be fair. So kind of swaying back to the Grom again. It just kind of always had my interest. I got this twat in a Land Rover. Wanted me to speed up. Not happening. That's the child in me. The sensible person would take said money, do the A licence upgrade, because I made 2, and possibly do a car test while some money's there, because that would be an investment, especially the car test. I could probably get a trip or 2 in that, a fairly good sized trip. So I don't know, I might just leave it burning a hole in my pocket. I mean, I could do with upgrading some kit as well. I don't know. So yeah, that's where the last several months have gotten me. The saddlebags ride was the last video I put up, and that was very delayed in getting up. Yeah, now I'm hoping this microphone's fine at sort of 40. I recall it being okay. And yeah, I've got the mic just literally sticking out the side of my cheek pad, aimed down a bit, because Hippodromes has his come under his flip front, and he sticks his up, sort of in line with the visor, so his sounds decent. So as I said, mine sounded pretty okay the other day. So I'll catch you another time. So take care, ride safe, and I'll see you again.